In this video, we are going to be going over slow weight loss plateaus, and how to track your progress with intermittent fasting. So let's get started. Hey, my name is James Johnson, and welcome to the Benefiters channel, where we talk about health, wellness, overall anything that we think you can benefit from. And today we're going over why you might be having slower weight loss than expected, how to overcome weight loss plateaus, and how to make sure you're tracking your progress the right way. All right, so you started intermittent fasting and you've seen it work for others, but the weight loss is slowly happening for you. Now, it does take some time to see results, so patience is key here. Let your body get used to your new style of eating pattern and the pounds will eventually fall off. If you feel like it's taking too long, try adding in some extra physical activity, be it a HIIT workout or a run. Now, the first excuse I hear when I tell people this is that, oh, but in my job, I'm already so active. And yeah, you might be, but your body is also used to this. So the key word here is extra physical activity. Next, let's make sure you are tracking progress the right way. So you've been doing intermittent fasting, maybe a week, 2 weeks, a month, and you've been checking the scale every day. What you want to do with the scale is take it, flip it upside down, and then go put it in a closet and stop looking at it. In all seriousness, what you really want to do is replace the scale with a tape measure, because what could be happening is that you're actually losing in inches, and losing in inches doesn't always correlate with weight loss. So you could be burning fat but gaining muscle. So to avoid getting frustrated with one number on a scale, make sure you are tracking your progress with a measuring tape as well. And also, don't get frustrated if you're not seeing super fast results. Intermittent fasting helps improve your health in many ways, so you are gaining benefits. All right, question of the day. What is your main goal with intermittent fasting? Is it strictly weight loss, or is it one of the many other health benefits you can get from it? Let me and the other benefiters know in the comments so we can all help each other reach our goals. All right, since you started, weight loss has been great up until now, and you've hit the dreaded plateau. Now, this is completely normal for people to experience when they've been intermittent fasting for a while. So what you want to do is start looking at the foods you are eating and how much you are eating. So make sure you're choosing healthy food options and the right portion sizes. One more step you can take is to extend your fasting length if possible. So say you're doing 16 to 8, maybe try switching to 18 to 6 or 20 to 4, along with making sure you're eating the right foods and the right portion sizes. Once you're used to being in a fasted state and you have that part down, your eating window is what you really want to focus on. So make sure you're not making any of these 3 mistakes I talk about here. And if you liked this video, make sure you subscribe, become a part of the Benefiters family, and we will see you in the next one.